Alright, hey guys, look at our weather here. Right now, Gila's about to hit soon tomorrow. No school, but keep you updated. But right now, winds are picking up. Probably gonna get this place flooded right here. Hopefully we can drain it before it can. Cause like, look at these skies. That is dark. Alright, let's just look around. It's kind of cold. If anything could happen, the news saying that it's gonna hit north, that it's gonna hit Tallahassee instead of where I am. So I'll keep you updated. Thank you guys. Bye.